Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove computer chair wheels. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is the underside of my office chair, one of my office chairs. We have like 4 or 5 of these in the house at every desk pretty much, okay? It's the same chair. I absolutely love this chair. They're very affordable, really inexpensive, and they work really well. And you're probably wondering how to remove the wheels of an office chair like this, of a computer chair like this, because you might want to clean them. You might want to grease them. You might want to replace them, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be replacing all of these wheels with higher quality wheels that are really easy to roll around on. So you're going to be looking at the wheel and you're going to be saying, okay, how do I replace it? Where's the screw? Where's anything that I can remove, right? You're looking for anything that you can do and you can't find it. Well, removing the wheels of a computer chair is actually much easier than you might think. All that you actually have to do is get a good grip on the wheel, and you want to pull away from the computer chair. And I'm going to do my best. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm going to use my foot as a brace right here. And you're going to pull away from the computer chair, just like that. You got to give it a good amount of force. You can see that they're just held in place by that little notch right there. That goes into the section right there, and that's how to remove it. And guess what? If you want to install a new one or to replace them or to clean them and you want to install them back again, you just grab them, get a good grip and push them in place. And you got to give it a good amount of force just like that. It's hard to do with one hand. You know, if you do it with 2 hands, it's much easier. But you got to give it a good amount of force and you can just put it back in place just like that. And then you're ready to go. The wheels are good to go again. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.